Yeah, so I just did, I won't really call it a fun drive. More like for the past 2 weeks, I've been using my Peugeot 607 V6. That's which can also call Z9. So I've been using the Z9 V6 for the past 2 weeks. I haven't driven any of my Peugeot cars apart from that one. So until today, I was like, oh, maybe I should try something else. So I just enter into my D9 V6, which is manual, and the other one was is automatic. So I mean, I just took it just for a spin, for like 2-3 minutes drive, and was like, wow! I was like, are you sure that one I was having 2 weeks ago was fun? I mean, it just like complete different experience. Guys, honestly, I can't wait to convert that car to manual. As good as it drives, as enjoyable as it is, but each time I sit down inside my other Peugeot V6 with the manual, it's just something else. So you can't just compare the two. Anyway, this video, I received a message on WhatsApp, and this is what it reads. Okay, yeah. Ikenna, please, I need explanation. My Lion, which I bought recently, that is, I don't even know, it didn't state the Peugeot model, but it said 2004 model, and EW10J4. So I don't know which Peugeot car it is. So it continues. My Lion, which I bought recently, I noticed that after parking it for a long time, when I kick the car, I will hear noise coming from the engine. But when I clutch down, the noise go off, and I release the clutch. The sound comes back. When I contacted one mechanic who said it's the gear oil. Guys, just be putting punctuation so I will understand some of these things. When I contacted one mechanic, he said the gear oil that is low and I should top it up, but I need an expert advice from you. Thanks for your anticipation of your response. Okay, yeah, I understand the symptom you mentioned, or you are trying to describe. That is, when you start, anyway, I'm enjoying my usual drink. So, yes, when you, it does happen when you depress the clutch pedal, more like, it's more pronounced when the engine is cold, or maybe the car is still cold, or you've not started it for some hours. So you start the car without touching the clutch pedal. This is specifically for a Peugeot car with manual transmission. So when you touch clutch, you start the vehicle as the engine is running without depressing the clutch or without touching the clutch pedal. You tend to hear one kind of noise, and that is, it sounds like walla 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 walla. Is that what you are hearing? Like walla 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 walla. Like I say, it tends to be louder when I was just saying, when the engine is cold. So, but as soon as you depress the clutch, the noise goes away. That is, you depress the clutch pedal and it goes down to the floor, the noise goes away. If you release the clutch pedal, it comes back. Walla 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 walla. That's what I mean. So if that's what you are, the symptom you are trying to describe, it usually comes from two places. But it shouldn't be a big concern anyway. But as for topping the gear oil, no, it has nothing to do with gear oil. But I do know it can come from the clutches. That is, the clutch component, the more like the pleasure plate, the ones Nigeria calls disc, clutch disc. But honestly, most times it's not even from there. It can also come from the gearbox. I think that's the bearing on the input spring. The input spring, or more like the input shaft, that shaft that comes out of the gearbox, that in the bell housing, you see it in the bell housing. It comes out from it, then it goes into the clutch plate, more like the friction plate. So it has a small like teeth on it also. So there's a bearing at the end of the shaft on that gearbox side. When that bearing is weak, it tends to make that noise. So without when you mount pressure on it, like and it stops spinning. When you depress the clutch, the release bearing would push out and then go and press the friction plate. The friction plate press the friction. It press the clutch. The pressure plate. The pressure plate now goes and holds the friction plate from moving, and to the flywheel. So once that happens, it means that shaft stop moving. When it stop moving, that bearing will no longer spin, so that noise goes away. So as soon as you release it, it start making. To be honest, I've never seen any gearbox that failed because of that noise. Yeah, the noise will just be there, not really give much issue. Unless it's that loud. I don't know how loud yours is. It was just small noise. And like I said, it tends to come up only when the engine is cold. So most time when it's hot, you may not even hear it anymore. Or even if you hear it, it'll be very, very faint. So in that case, you shouldn't worry if it's from the gearbox. But if the noise continues, even when you depress the clutch and maybe hold it, just do this step. Depress the clutch, hold it for like 2 minutes to know if it will ever come up. Hold it, the clutch pedal down to the floor. If it doesn't come up, I don't think you should worry about it. Now, the reason why I say that even when you change the pressure plate is there was a time I know I changed a pressure clutch kit complete on one Peugeot car. It's a Peugeot 406. So change it, and then the press, the noise came up, but it wasn't there before then. So it was not that loud. So it was a brand new original, but it was just there a little. So, but it's like over like 3-4 years. In fact, it's going to 5 years now. I know I changed that clutch in that vehicle, and that noise was there. And to be honest, the last time I saw the car, not long ago, like maybe a month or thereabouts. Yeah, the noise is there when it's cold, but no issue. Drive it, nothing. So yeah, I kind of think maybe it's just maybe a small design flaw on the pressure plate for that. So that shouldn't be something that I should worry about. However, most times when people use wrong gearbox oil, manual gearbox oil, it now damages some internal gears inside the gearbox. And then in that case, it can even be more disastrous. That's why I say you should do a test. Press it down. Even when press the clutch pedal down, hold it for like 3 minutes or so. If at that within that time you hear that noise, even when the clutch pedal is down, then the noise is coming from the gearbox. So it's now probably somebody you remove the correct oil that's supposed to be in that gearbox and put all this thick oil. One thing with modern gearbox, any oil you put in it, it doesn't care, it will run. But if you put wrong oil there, over time it will affect those bearings, and the gearbox will now become noisy. That's just it. Whether it's on gear, even when it's on gear, the clutch is down or not, eventually it will just be very noisy. It will give you that kind of sound. But if you just, maybe when you press the clutch, it goes off, you release the clutch pedal, it stops, that shouldn't bother you. Unless the noise is very, very loud, that loud. It's not supposed to be loud, even when the engine is cold. I mean, if it now becomes too loud or to be hard, then there's a problem, which can be from your gearbox or your engine. no, your gearbox or your clutch. Like I said, it's just, if you just a normal small noise, walla 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 walla. For most time, when you're outside the vehicle, you won't even hear the noise until you sit inside. That's when you hear it. As in, sit directly behind the steering wheel, because that's where the gearbox is mounted for the front wheel drive line. So that's where you hear that noise. When you're inside the engine, you're outside the vehicle, you may not even hear it. Even if you hear it, it'll be very faint. So in that case, that shouldn't bother you. Okay, I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, you can ask more questions in the video comment section. I'll send more questions to me via WhatsApp. Alright.